When's the last time y'all been out here? I won't lie, I was surprised when I came and pulled up to see this right here. I was like, whoa. I tell you what, you picked the right house, man. This elevation with this stonework on the front is absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you. Love that shake up there, like, man, oh man. You guys got a beautiful house. I'm really, really happy for you. Really, really happy. They've been putting that work in. Your garage is also nice and big too. This is great. I mean, my goodness, it looks so much bigger. Now you got the sheetrock in. I mean, this is just crazy how big this room is. I tell you. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I forgot how big this home really was. Now they got the sheetrock in, we can really see. Absolutely still love the fact you got this bedroom down here. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Before long, little Kev be like, hey, I want to sleep downstairs. Look at that. Your loft area, massive, just straight up massive. Super large laundry room. Your primary bedroom, definitely get your king size in here easy. This closet is just ridiculous. Look at this, my goodness. Love it, guys. Dual vanity sinks right there. Yes. Love the overlook right there, it's great. This hallway bathroom is also nice size. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Love it. Super excited for you guys. Super excited.